Hello guys, this is our 8th Revit class. So in previous class we saw started with the wall, architecture wall, and then we saw how to add layers and how to apply materials, and then we were just seeing how to modify the wall structure. So in modifying the wall structure, we saw the sweep, and then we just stopped with the reveal. So in this class we'll start from the reveal in the modify wall structure, how to use the reveal, and then after that we'll move on to doors and windows, and we'll also see curtain walls. So these are the things that we will learn in this class. So just open the previous file which we have worked for sweep. So just save this. Whenever, one more important thing is, whenever in the project file, if you just load a family, like for the in this project we just created one family for this cornice, and then one family for this skirting. So when you have loaded these families, then you have to save these family files all as well. When you open this file again, that time these families also will be loaded, or else it won't appear. So always when you save a project, you should also save the family as well. So now let's begin with the class guys. So now we'll see what reveal is. So just select this wall and go to edit properties, edit type, just click on edit type, and then click edit here. Here you have to just change this to section type, then only we will be able to edit this options. So here we saw all these four things, and then we saw what sweep is. Now we will see what reveal is. So reveal is just when the only difference between sweep and reveal is sweep is something like when we create a profile like this, it will just run on the surface of the wall outside. If this sweep, whatever the profile that we create in sweep, these profiles will run on the surface of the wall, but outside the wall. But reveal is completely opposite. The method of creating reveal is same like sweep, but the output will be completely opposite of the sweep. Whatever the profile that you will create like this, it will just scoop out the wall. It will run inside the wall. That is the main difference in reveal. So if you just create this profile and apply here in as reveal, then the same profile will run inside the wall like this. It will just scoop out. So that is the only difference in reveal. So now let's see how does it work. So for example, by using reveal, you can just create grooves on the exterior surface like that. So if you also want to create grooves in interior surface, then you can use the reveal tool. So at basic intervals in some exterior, we will have a groove kind of things. That kind of things we can just create using reveal. So now let's click on reveal, and then just click add like how we did on sweep, and then just click on apply. So it is in exteriors. Now it is in base, and it starts from base and it is on exterior. So just move this and just click on apply and close this. Now when you see this, now we can see at the base we have a reveal which is inside the wall. So this is what reveal does. Now just click on reveal like again. Just click on reveal again. If you just change the position like around 500 and click enter and click apply. So now we can see it is just scooping out in the middle of the wall like this. We can also change the profile of this. We can, for that we can create a new family which will act like a groove. So now let's create a groove kind of thing. So till here just close this and close this, and now let's create a new family. Click on family, click on new, and then create a new family by clicking on family. Here you have to select metric profile. So just click on metric profile and click open. So in metric profile, it is a rule that Whatever profile that we create, we should create only on this cell, only on this cell. So now let's create a group. Click on line and let's give the value of group like around 50 mm by 100 mm. 50 mm by 100 mm, like this. After creating this, just press escape. And now we have to make sure this is a closed profile. And then we have to just load this into project. So here just select the project and then click OK. After we have load this, just move to 3D and select the wall. Click on edit type, edit here also. And here we have to select on reveal. Just click on reveal and click add a profile and just give a distance around 1000. Just enter 1000 and click on apply. So at the distance of 1000, we have got a reveal profile which is running inside the wall. It is scooping out the wall. Now in default, just change this to family 3 and now click apply. Now we can see we have a groove kind of thing applied on the wall. So like this, we can create a multiple grooves at intermediate levels. So again, click on reveal, just click on add and then change this to 2000 and change this position to family 3 and click OK. So now we can see we have added two grooves on the wall. So we can also add grooves from top side. So again, click on reveal, click add and now change this to top and now enter the value as -1000 and then change this to family 3. Click OK or else just click on apply and let's add one more profile and change this also to top and just give a time as a -2000 and change this profile to family 3 and click on apply. So like this, we can keep on adding grooves on the exterior wall. Just make sure if you are going to add a grooves, this side should be on exterior. If you just want to add this reveal on interior, then you have to change this to interior wall. So now let's click on OK and then again click on OK like this. Click OK like this. Now you can just see in this wall. So as this is an exterior wall, now we can see a groove has been applied over here. A groove kind of things are seen on the exterior surface of the wall. So this is how we have to create a groove. If you want to create a vertical groove, then just click on wall and click on reveal and then just select uh, on vertical like this and let's add wherever that you want to add a groove and press escape once after clicking that. Now just you can see we have added a groove over here. Just select on this profile. So this is a default reveal. So just select on this profile and then go to edit type. In edit type, you have a profile. So in profile, you have to just change this to family 3 and click OK. Now we are getting a group as per our choice. As we have created a group in the family, that group will come. If you just want to change the location of this group, this reveal, just click and hold this and move it like this. For example, if you just want to give this group at both horizontal and vertical around the windows, like this, we can just adjust these groups. At a certain distance, we can adjust the groups like this. So now we can see we have both horizontal and vertical groups. So that's all this reveal thing, guys. Now this topic is over. Modification of wall structure is over. Now let's move on to another topic, which is curtain wall. So curtain wall means generally curtain wall means a glass wall. Curtain wall refers to a glass wall. So to see the curtain walls, just click on this wall architectural. Once you click on wall architectural, let's move to plan thing. Just move to plan thing. Once you click on wall architectural, in properties, you have to select on this basic wall, whatever this you get here. Just click on this thing, and when you just come down, you will see a curtain wall. So in curtain wall, we have three things: curtain wall empty, curtain wall exterior glazing, and curtain wall storefront. So these three things we have. So let's draw these three things in the plan. So click on curtain wall empty and let's draw it here. Press escape and then again just press escape one time and then again now click here the second option curtain wall exterior glazing. So just draw it here like this and press escape one time and then let's select this and draw this one curtain wall storefront. Draw it like this. That's all. Press escape. Now press escape two times and then turn on the 3D view. So now you can see this one is a curtain wall empty. So curtain wall empty refers to just plain glass. So whenever you want to just apply a plain glass anywhere, you can just use curtain wall empty. So it doesn't have anything. It's a clear plain glass. If you want to use a plain glass somewhere in the model, you can just use this curtain wall empty. So the next thing is curtain wall exterior glazing. So curtain wall exterior glazing is plain glass with grids. So wherever you want to apply a glass with the grid, you can use this exterior glazing. So it will create a glass with the grids as you can edit the grids however you want. So the next thing is curtain wall storefront. So curtain wall storefront and curtain wall exterior glazing is almost similar, but the only difference is it is a glass with a grid including a mullion. So when you just zoom in, we can see it has a mullion place. So we can also add a mullion in this. So that's the main difference in curtain wall exterior glazing and curtain wall storefront. It comes with a mullion. So that's the main difference. We can also just drag this up to extend this like this. You can just pull this arrow little upside. So you can just extend this glass. Now, if you just want to change this spacing of this grid or change the angle, so for that you have to just select this glass and then come to properties. In properties, you have here vertical grid, horizontal grid. In here, we have also angle. So just click on angle. If you just want to give an angle around the vertical grid angle around 45, just enter and then click on horizontal grid and then give an angle around 45. Click enter and now just see the changes have been happened 45 by 45. But if you just want to change the spacing, for to change the spacing, you have to go to edit type. You have to go to edit type. Just click on edit type. Here you have vertical grid. In vertical grid, now you can just give a distance around like 1500. Click enter and then change this distance also as 1500. Click enter. Or else give 2000 by 2000. 2000 by 2000 and press enter. And now just click OK. Now we can see we are getting a at a 45-degree angle, we are getting a proper diamond shaped glasses. So like this, we can change the angle and spacing of the glasses. The same thing we can also do here also. We can change the angle if we want from this side, and also we can just change the spacing over here. For this one, let's give it as 1500 and change this as 3000 like this, and just click OK. Now we can see we have changed this spacing of this storefront classes. Now to add mullions on these classes, we have an alternate method. So in edit method also you can just add it. If you go to edit type, you have adjust mullion size. Just turn on this and turn on this. So here you have a type. You have to select the type here, and here you can just select the type. Like I'll just select this one, corner mullion 150 by 150 mm, and here also like this. And in horizontal mullion, just select which type of mullion you want. I'll select this one, and here also I'll select this one. And now I will just click on OK. So there is something error in this. So again, let's click on edit type, and here just select the mullion size to 50 mm, and let's select a 50 mm. Same 50 mm by 50 mm, and then when type interior type, click a 50 mm, click a 50 mm. So let's select it like this, and just turn on this adjust for mullion size and click OK. Now you can see a mullion has been applied. So we have created a 50 mm mullion, circular mullion. Now we can see a mullion has been added on the surface, on the curtain wall. So like this, we can add a mullion from the edit tab. So we have alternate method for this also. So just press Ctrl Z to undo this, and now we'll see an alternate method. So to add mullions without going to edit type, to add mullions separately, then we have to just in architecture tab, here we have a mullion option. Just click on mullion. So here you have three options: grid line segment, like this. So one by one, if you want to apply mullion, so you can just select this one, just one grid line, or then if you just want to add individually, then you have to grid line segment. You can click on grid line segment, so that we will add one by one at particular window below. You can add a mullion, or else if you select this grid line, you can just add a mullion for a complete one grid line. But if you just click on all grid lines, then you can at one click you can add mullions all over the grids. So always select this all grid line, and then just click on this grid line here. Just move your cursor and just make sure you turn on the grid line. Once the grid line is highlighted, just give a click. When you just give a click, now you can see a mullion has been added. So this is the alternate method to add the mullions. You can also add mullions on this also by this. Just you have to just move your cursor on the lines. Once the grid line is highlighted, just give a click. Like this, you can also add on this exterior glazing. So this is how we have to create a curtain walls. So that's all this curtain was thing, guys. Now after this, now we move on to doors and windows, like how to add doors and windows on the plan, on the walls. So let's first create a closed wall structure. So move to plan. Now let's select a wall architectural, and now just click on a wall which we have edited. Or you can also select a plain wall. But I want to select this wall which we have edited. So now let's create a wall. Just select the location line, let it be wall center line. And now let's create a closed structure like this. Just create a randomly any shape that you want. Any shape that you like, you can just create it as well and end it like this. Press escape two times and now change this to 3D. And now you can see we have created a wall structure like this. Now to add doors to these walls, you again have to go to plan, just zoom this, and to add doors, you have to click on doors over here. Just click on doors. In properties, you will have an option to select other doors. So just click on doors like this. But here, as a default, we have very less option where we have in doors, we have just two sizes. One is double door and one is single door. In double door, we have two sizes. In single door, we have three sizes. So this is a default thing. Just we have only two options, but we can also add number of doors by going to load family. Just clicking on load family, we can load many other doors. So that we'll see later, but for now, we'll just focus on how to add doors on the plan. So just select on doors, and when you click on doors, you will get this option. In properties, you have to just select here and select any one size like this. And once you select the size of this door, double door, just move your mouse cursor and move your mouse cursor near to the wall. When you move your mouse cursor near to the wall, the door drawing will be shown. So when the door drawing is shown and you are also satisfied with the measurement, so from that end to this end, the dimensions that you are aiming. So just move it at what dimension you want to place the wall. So if I just want to, from the top side, if I just want to place the wall, from that wall edge to this door should be 6,000. Then I should just move it like this. Now I'm getting 6,000 at the top. From the top side to the door, I'm getting 6,000. Now I have just to click this. Now just I have to just give a click. Once I give a click, the door is been applied on the wall. So after this, just press escape and now again press escape two times to come out of the door option. And now just click on this door. If you just want to flip this door, just click on this symbol. Like this, you can just flip this. And again, if you just click on this symbol, you can flip inwards. So you can also change the door position by just moving your cursor in the door and then just click the door and hold. Just click this and hold and move it like this. So like this also we can just move after placing the door. We can by clicking and holding we can just move it as we want like this. So if we just want to give it at a distance of around 4,000. So let's say we want to give this window, give this door around distance of 4,000. Now just leave the click. So we have moved this to 4,000. So like this also we can just move this door. Or else we can also, let's see, just we can also edit the dimension like 3,500 and press enter. Like this also we can just move the door at a particular distance easily. So like this we can add a door. Now we can just, we want to add another dimension door. Just click on this and then actually when you just click on this door and then if you just change the dimension, the door dimension will be changed. So let it be as it previous itself. Now give a escape. Now press escape and then again click on door and now change the door to add a new dimension door like this and place it wherever you want. So I'll place it here and then I will place it here. And now I want to place a single door. So again go to door and just click on these dimensions. So I will select 900 by 2100 and now I will place this door over here and one door over here and one door over here and another door over here. So like this we can just place the doors as we want. Now the next thing is we have to just flip this door accordingly like this. You can also flip this door either this side or that side. So I'll flip it like this and change the dimension like 3000. So it will move accordingly. Now select this door and change this to 3000 as whatever dimension that you want to give. So like this we can give a proper dimension. We can change this to like this and enter a dimension 2000 like this. We can also flip this and change the dimension around 2000 like this. So like this we can just place the door. Now when you move this to 3D, now you can see we have added door and the grooves also exactly the groove is placed at the lintel of this door. So our door this grooves matches along the lintel of this door. So like this we have to create a door. So like this we can place a door. Now just move this to now let's turn on the elevation. So this is the east elevation. So let's create another level. Let's create one more level. Just click on level and pick a line and give an offset around 4000. So let's create a level like this and go to level 0 and just select this wall to select the. So now if you just want to give this wall the top constraint as level 2. So now we have drawn so many walls. So one by one we have to press control and select all walls like this. And then we have to change the top constraint to level 2 so that it will just connect it properly. It will just connect it to level 2. So instead of just selecting each wall like this, press control and then select all the walls and then change the level to this top constraint to level 2. Instead of that, we can just select this one wall and then give a right click. And now you can just click on select all instances, either visible in view or else in entire project. So if you just select all instances and if you just click on in entire project, then all these walls also will be selected. These walls also will be selected. But if you just zoom this wall particular this one and then if you just click on select all instance only visible in the view, then only these walls will be selected. Those walls on that side won't be selected. So always just select this one wall and give a right click and select all instances visible in the view. So like this, we can select all the walls easily. And then we can just change the top constraint easily to level 2 like this. So now the top constraint is attached to the level 2. Now change this to 3D view. So so after this, now we'll apply a windows. So windows also is similar to doors. And then we'll just copy all these doors and windows to the first floor. So that we will see now. So till that, just try this out, guys. Till that, just see how to do this reveal, and then just see the curtain system, and then just draw a closed structure of wall like this, and try this to place the doors. After that, we'll continue in few more minutes. So till that, just practice this thing, guys. We'll continue the class in few more minutes. Thank you. Okay, guys, now let's continue. So now we'll see how to add windows. So again, go to plan. So now let's place a window. So just click on window over here. Once you click on window, just once you click on window, in properties, you have to select a window. But here in properties, we have the only window available here is this one. But we have different sizes for that window. Now, for example, I will select this window, or I will select this window. Once I select this window, and now I can go and place the window in the plan like this. So like this, I can place the window in the plan, and after that, I can just set the location. Just after placing, just press escape 2 times, and then click on the window. Now you can just switch however you want this window to be facing inside or that side like this. You can just place it however you want. And from corner, so from this door to this window is around 2400. So like this, you can place the window. So now you can see this is what the window looks like. But now we want to load some more windows. So this window is not looking properly. But now we want to add more. We want to see more kinds of windows, more types of doors to add in this plan. So for that, we have to just click on load family. So now we'll see, just click on window. Once you click on window, you have option here called load family. When you click on load family, you will get into this folder. Like here, you will have a root analysis, structural precast, and then you have UK. So if you don't have this file, almost I think it won't be available as you install a Revit folder. As you install a Revit, this UK library will not be available there. So to how to get this library is, I'll show you. Now just press escape. So you have to go to Google and just type Revit content library. Just type this Revit content library in Google and give a search. Once you give a search, just open the top first link, how to download Revit content. So just click on how to download Revit content, and here it will show that this as you will download this Revit content. Revit content templates and families associated with annual release are installed by default with the program in the C folder, program data, Autodesk, RVT, the version which that we installed. In that folder, it will be automatically get installed. So how to download this and install it? So as you come down, now you can see download content for Autodesk Revit 2024 or 2023, 2022 or 2021 as per the Revit version which you have installed. So I have installed Revit 2023. So I will just click on download Revit 2023. Once I click on Revit 2023, now just come down. Now I have content packs based on language, specific language. So here there is a download link. So now if I want a Brazilian Portuguese content for Revit 2023, then I can just click on this link. But I want English language. So just come down. You can see so many language, French, German, Italian. But I want English version. So when you just come down, now you can see US English content for Revit 2023, or else you also have UK English content for Revit 2023. So I have downloaded UK. So just click on this link. It will automatically start downloading over here. So I have already downloaded this, and then just open the folder where you have just downloaded it. When you just click on this and give a right click and open this, Autodesk dialog box will appear and it will just load. Once after a few seconds of loading, it will ask you to install. So there will be a button over here at the right corner. You have to just click on install, and that will be installed at the default location as it has shown here uh, at this location. So it will be automatically installed at this particular location. So here you can see this is the default location where it will be located. Once you give a install on, if once you click on the install button, automatically that UK library will be get installed on this particular location. Program data, Autodesk RVT version like 2023, and there the library will be automatically installed. So you can also download Revit templates, guys. Just when you click on Revit 2023 version, whichever version that you have, when you just come down here, you can download the library, family libraries, and even we can also download family templates also. So here in UK, it is just family libraries. But when you come below this content pack, so here you can see international English Euro content. In this, you can download family libraries, family templates, and templates for European countries. Like this, you can just download, just click on this link and you can just download the family templates as well. So in family templates, those things like conceptual mask and family profile, that kind of things you will get in the family templates. So you can also just download this and install this. It will be automatically installed into the default location. So like this, you can download these things, guys. So I will just minimize this and I will just now open the Revit. And now I want to load the windows, new windows. Then I can just click on, after clicking the window, then I can just click on this load family. When I click on load family, now you can see automatically the UK library has installed in a particular folder. If I just click on the arrow mark here, now I can see in C folder, there is a program data which will be hidden. This is program data will be defaultly hidden file. So it will be installed in this. So in C folder, program data, Autodesk Revit 2023. In the libraries, in English, I have those folders, which is UK. This will be defaultly installed root analysis and structural precast. But now I have installed this UK library. When I click on UK library, here I have set of things like columns, doors, and when I come down, we have furnitures, lighting, pipes, so many things, railings, many things we have. At the last, we have windows. Just click on windows. Now we have so many options in the windows. So just click on windows, any one window, which window will be suitable for our model. So just select any one of the windows here. So I will just click this plain window. Okay, let's select this plain window. And once I click on this plain window, I'll just click on open. After clicking on open, I got this window over here. See, Windows typical plane. Before this only Windows single plane was available there. But now you can see Windows typical plane is available with various sizes. Now I will just select this size and then I will start placing this wherever that I want, like this, and another window at a distance of like this, and another window like this, and again another window like this. So like this, you can just keep on placing windows. So let's place the windows here also, like this, another window like this, and place another window here, here, and let's place a window over here, another window, here one window. Like this, you have to just keep on placing windows wherever you want. So like this, you can just keep on placing windows. So not only windows, now just press escape and just open the 3D view. Now you can see we have just added windows, which looks like three shutter windows, which we have loaded from the library, UK library. So this was the default window which was available in this Revit itself. But now we have loaded these windows from the library which we installed from Google. So like that, you also download those libraries from Autodesk website and then just install it. It will be installed at the default location, and from there you can load this to the Revit file like this. Not only windows, we can also load doors as well. So now let's load door. Just click on door and click on load family. Here, just go back and now click on the door folder. Here we have many options like internal doors, external doors, door iron magnetic. So these are handles of doors. So come back. Here we have external doors. So we have so many options in external doors. So let's add this door, glazed door. So click open and now we have added this door, which is external double glazed door. So we have two sizes in that. Let's select this 1500 size and let's place it here like this. So once we have placed it, just press escape two times and now you can just change the direction, flip the door towards this side. And to view this door, just go to 3D and now you can see the door has been placed here. You can see this is how this door looks now. So in Revit we have very less option, but we can just load many options of doors from the library which we install from the Autodesk website. So like this we can get many number of options from those library. So you can just go to load family and load many types of doors into the model. So like this we can just load doors and windows from the family. Now next thing is we'll see how to modify these doors. Like when you select these doors, you can go to properties and you can just change the levels. Like if you just change this level to level 1, now see the door is changed from level 0 to level 1. So like this, you can also change the position of the door. Now let's keep it at level 0 itself. Now you can see from level 1 to it has shifted to level 0. And also you can change the sill height. Like if you just want to give the sill height like above 300. So your plinth level is at 300. Then just press enter the sill as 300. Now see from base the door has moved around 300 above the base. So like this you can change the level of the doors. So let's keep it at 0 itself. And now if you just want to, so same thing, if you just want to do the same thing for window, you can change the level. If you change this to level 1, it will just move to level 1. So let's keep it to level 0. And if you just change this sill height like 600, you just want to give the sill height as 600, you can change it to 600. So the sill height has become 600, but the window lintel height also has decreased to 300. It has reduced 300 from the lintel. Before it was properly at the lintel level. Now when you reduce the sill, the lintel also has been reduced by 300. You can see. How to edit this window? You can also edit this window. You can also change the size of this window. How to do that? Just go to edit type, and now you have to duplicate it. If you don't duplicate it and just change the size, then it will change the size for all the windows that is uh, in the model. So we want to modify this window alone, then we have to duplicate it. Just click on duplicate and here rename it as the height like 1510. Just change the number to 510 and click OK. Now we have renamed the window size. And then let's change the height. So dimensions is here and it has given a rough height. So change the rough height here. Just type it as 5. And then that's all. Just change the height in dimension. You have a rough height. Change the height to 5. And again, you have a height option here. So either you can just edit this one. Automatically, this one will be changed. So let it be like this and then click OK. Now you can see this window alone has been changed. So when you click on this window and you want to change the property of this window to this, then just select this window and go to properties. Here in Windows, you can just see there is this window which has height, which we edited now. Just you click on this window. So the height has been increased. The next thing that you have to do is you have to just change the sill level to 600 like this. So like this, we can change the size of the windows and sill height of the windows and doors. And if you just want to change the size of doors, that also you can do. Just click on this door and go to edit type. So first you have to click on duplicate or else it will change for all the doors that is in the model. So just click on duplicate and change the size around 1000. Let it be like 1000 or let it be like 1200. Click OK. Here again in dimensions, you have rough width. So just another option you have the direct width. So you can just change here as 1200. Once you click enter, it will be changed over here also. See, you automatically it will be changed here. If you just change the dimension here, it will be updated here also. So it is better just change the dimension here in the width and click OK. Now you can see the width of the door has been changed. And again, you can rechange this to 2000. The position will be changed. The door's position will be changed. And this door size will be as 2000. The width of the door will be 2000. So like this, we can change the sizes of the door. If you just want to modify this door, like for example, let's say select this door And if you just want to put some design on this door, that also we can do. How to do that is just you have to click this door. So this door is one family. So how to edit this? So we have to go to the edit family. Once you click on edit family, a family will be opened here. So now you have to just click here to on the door or a frame. So if you just click on a door like this, now you have to, if you just want to design this door, you have to select on this door. To edit this, you have to go to here in edit extrusion. So here you can just see how this door has been made. So this door has been made using extrusion in a generic models, in the components in generic models. Through extrusion, this door has been made. So whatever name is written here, either like edit sweep or edit extrusion, like this, whatever the name written at the below is what the thing it is made from. So this door is made from extrusion. So when you click on frame, so when you click on frame, it is showing edit sketch. So it has been made from sketch. Just through sketch, it has been made. When you click on this frame, see, when you select this frame, now it is showing edit extrusion. So this bottom thing also made through extrusion. Mostly these frames are always made through sweep. So when you click on this frame, it will be written like edit sweep. But no, it has been made through sketch. So let it be like that. Now the thing is we have to modify this door. So just click on edit extrusion after selecting this. When you click on edit extrusion, it will come to the edit mode. And here, whenever in a rectangle, whenever you draw another profile over this rectangle, inside this rectangle, it will create a hollow thing. So whenever you create a rectangle, and in between again, if you create a rectangle, and then if you just give it green tape, the extrusion will happen, but in between there will be a hollow thing. Like how if you just create a circle like this, and again another circle like this. If you just create another circle like this, and now if you just give a green tick, then extrusion will happen only in this space. In the between will be hollow. Like that only same thing here. This is one rectangle which has been extruded as a door panel. But if you just create any other profiles in between, that space will become hollow. So let's see how it becomes. Now let's create one rectangle over here like this. Once we have created a rectangle like this, and now so let's select this rectangle and let's make a mirror of this. So just click on this and just select the center line to mirror this. And after this, just give a green tick. Now we can see a hollow profile has been created. Like this, we can edit the door in this way. Now, how to add glass over this door? So for that, first we have to set the plane, work plane. Go to create and just click on pick a plane. We have to select here and now just click on show. So now we have made a plane here and now we have to create a glass. So using extrusion method only, we have to create a glass now. So just click on rectangle and let's draw a glass. Just draw a rectangle like this and let's stop it like this. After drawing a rectangle profile like this, now press escape and just give a green tick. Automatically extrusion will happen like this. So just press on this arrow and pull it towards upside, like this. That's all. After this, you have to just mirror this. Just open the exterior thing and now just click on this mirror and select this like this. So like this, we have added mirror on, and we have added glass on both sides. Now let's apply a material to this. Just select this both, press Control, and here in properties, we have material in finishes. We have to click here in these three dots. So you have to click on these three dots. Now the material will be opened. Here just type glass. Once you get a glass, just open this and you can just set the graphics color like however you want. Change the transparency and appearance. It will be like this, and just click OK. And do the same thing for this also. Just click OK. The same material will be applied. And after editing these things, now you have to click on load into project again. Just click after completing this thing, just click on load into project and it will ask project one. Just click project one, click OK. Now you have to overwrite the existing version and its parameter values. Just click on this one. So now you can see we have just changed the, so wherever the door is available there. So now you can see we have changed the, all in all locations we have updated this door. See here the size is here it is locating properly, but there it's not properly. So the size is different, guys. So here the size is 1800. That is why it is looking like that. But here we can see the size is 1500. Now it looks properly. So it is based upon the size. So that is why we have to always when we just modify it, because it is same family. That is why if we edit on that, it is also changing in this as well. So we should be very careful while selecting this, modifying these doors, and we should modify it according to the sizes. So like this, we can modify doors and windows. So now if we just want to, so as this is like a ground floor, now if we just want to place the same doors and windows at the same location in the first floor as well. So how to do that is just go to plan level 0 and just select this window, and you can select this one by one, like press Control and select all the windows like this. Or else the easy method is just select one window and give a right click on select all instances. Just zoom out the plan, overall plan, and now just select the window, give a right click. Here you have select all instances and just click on visible in view. All the windows will be selected, and then the next thing what you have to do is, as all the windows has been selected, the next thing what we have to do is we have to just go here in this clipboard. You have to just select on copy to clipboard. Just click on copy to clipboard, and then this paste option will appear. Here in paste option, just click here. You have to select this align to the selected levels. Just click on align to selected levels. Just close this if you want, or else save the project. Now it will ask you which level you want to place this copy. So the copy of this windows at which level you want to paste. I will select at level 1 and click OK. Now you can see at the exact location of these windows at the level 1 the windows has been placed automatically. So like this we can place all the windows at a particular location. Now I have to select this window. Again I have to click on copy, select and paste, align windows to selection, press level 1 and click OK. Like this. Now if I have to do the same thing to door, then I have to go to plan, select this one door and give a right click, select all instances in visible view. So only these two doors are same family. So then press Ctrl and give a right click, select all instances visible in view. So this one door is alone one family. So now select this door. So as it is very less, so press Ctrl and select this door. But for this door, just press Ctrl and select. Just press Ctrl. Okay, it has been selected. And now just give a right click, zoom out this. As this door is selected, now just give a right click and just go to option select all instances visible in view. Now all these doors has been selected. But this one we have modified, so just press Ctrl and select this also. After selecting all the doors, now you can see we'll copy all these doors at the same location in the level 1. So just click on copy and then in paste option, click on align to selected levels. And here just click on level 1 and click OK. See, we have pasted all the doors on the first floor level also. So we have to select these windows also. We have modified this window. So we have to select this window as well. And then go and click on copy, click on align selected to level. So select level 1 and click OK. So this is how we have to place the doors and windows. So when you just turn this to realistic, now you can see this in a realistic mode. So like this, it will be looking. Let's change this to shaded. So just try this out, guys. So that's all for this class, guys. Just try this out till here, and we'll see in the next class. Thank you.